Alejandro Padilla is an American politician and engineer serving as the junior United States Senator from California since 2021. A member of the Democratic Party, Padilla served as the 32nd Secretary of State of California from 2015 to 2021. Padilla served more than 7 years on the Los Angeles City Council, representing the 7th District. First elected in 1999, he was president of the Los Angeles City Council from 2001 to 2006. He then served in the California State Senate for the 20th District from 2006 to 2014. On December 22, 2020, Governor Gavin Newsom appointed Padilla to succeed Kamala Harris in the Senate after Harris was elected Vice President of the United States. Harris swore Padilla in on January 20, 2021. His term will end in January 2023. He is the first Mexican-American and Hispanic senator from California, the first senator from Southern California since 1992, when John F. Seymour left office, and the first male senator to represent the state since 1993, when Alan Cranston retired. Padilla is one of 3 children of Santos and Lupe Padilla, both of whom emigrated from Mexico, specifically from Jalisco and Chihuahua, before meeting and marrying in Los Angeles, where he was born. He grew up in Pacoima, Los Angeles, and graduated from San Fernando High School in the Northeast San Fernando Valley. He earned a degree in mechanical engineering from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1994. He graduated from the Coro Fellows Southern California program in 1995. After graduation, he moved back to Pacoima and briefly worked as an engineer for Hughes Aircraft, where he wrote software for satellite systems. Padilla is a former member of the governing board of MIT and president of the National Association of Latino Elected and Appointed Officials, which has a membership of more than 6,000 Latino U.S. officials. He serves as chair of the Los Angeles Leadership Council for the American Diabetes Association. Elected in July 2005. Padilla began in politics as a member of the Democratic Party in 1995, in substantial part in response to California Proposition 187, which excluded illegal immigrants from all non-emergency public services, including public education, but which he felt was motivated by a broader nativism that demonized legal and illegal immigrants alike. His first professional role was as a personal assistant to Senator Dianne Feinstein. He then served as a campaign manager for Assemblyman Tony Cardenas in 1996, Assemblyman Gil Cedillo in 1997, and State Senator Richard Alarcon in 1998. All Democrats. All won their respective elections. On July 1, 1999, at age 26, Padilla was sworn in as a member of the Los Angeles City Council. 2 years later, his colleagues elected him council president. Padilla was the first Latino and the youngest person elected president of the Los Angeles City Council, defeating incumbent Ruth Galante on September 13, 2001. 2 days after the 9/11 attacks, Padilla became the acting mayor of Los Angeles for a couple of days while Mayor James K. Hahn traveled out of the city. Los Angeles Times wrote that Padilla's rise to the mayor's office enriched his political stock. During his term as city council president, Padilla also was elected president of the California League of Cities, the first Latino to serve in that position. After retiring as president of the Los Angeles City Council, Padilla was elected to the state Senate in 2006, defeating Libertarian Pamela Brown. He was re-elected in 2010 with nearly 70% of the vote over Republican Kathleen Evans. Padilla served as a member of the Appropriations Committee, Business and Professions and Economic Development Committee, Governmental Organization Committee, Labor and Industrial Relations Committee, and chaired the Select Committee on Science, Innovation and Public Policy. He left office on November 30, 2014. After 2 terms in August 2012, Padilla was included in a list of 20 Latino political rising stars compiled by the San Francisco Chronicle, citing his role in the National Association of Latino elected and appointed officials. In September 2014, Padilla promoted what would later become Proposition 67, a proposed ban on plastic bags. On November 8, 2016, when Padilla was Secretary of State, the proposal was voted on in a referendum, and the option in favor of the ban on the plastics bags received 53% of the vote. On April 11, 2013, Padilla announced his intention to run for Secretary of State in 2014, to succeed the term-limited Deborah Bowen. He was expected to face an intra-party battle with fellow Democrat Leland Yee. But Yee's arrest for felony racketeering caused Yee to abandon the race. Padilla won the election on November 4, 2014, with 53.6% of the vote, defeating Republican Pete Peterson. On June 29, 2017, the Presidential Advisory Commission on Election Integrity, which President Donald Trump created on May 11, requested data on enrolled voters from every state, dating back to 2006. Padilla said the